Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, I'm at the Alexan at the Galleria. The Alexan at the Galleria. This is a new, recently built apartment. It's super, super cute. And what we're going to do today is we're going to go in and film this. We're going to do filming probably 2, if not 3 apartments. We're going to film all of the amenities. And basically, we're going to give you the best tour ever of the Alexan at the Galleria. It's going to be even better than going in person. It's going to be more detailed. So if you're into the Alexan Galleria, you want to really check it out, this is the way to do it. You don't even go in person. We're going to put this in about 12 videos. It's going to be on a playlist, so you're going to see it on the playlist. You're going to see each part on the playlist, so you can watch it all, or you can feel free to skip around as well. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, hey, I recommend to go ahead and text me at my number below. I've been doing this for 15 years. I love doing this. I love helping people find their perfect apartment in Dallas. And it's 100% free service to work with us. Hey, you've got no better, more qualified, more experienced person in person that would love to help you find that perfect place. That's me. So text me anytime. Okay, we're now gonna talk a little bit about the area in our next video. So hang loose, that's gonna come right now.